Hello students, today I am here to do another paper with you, revision paper. This is question paper 9 and this is under 1000 short question series. So this is the 9th paper. So we covered 1 to 8 now. So this is also 1 hour paper and you get 25 short questions. So each question worth 2 marks and the spaces are given so you can write down the answers here. Now try question number 1 to 14 and then you can try question number 15 to 25. So let's do paper 9. So we'll do question number 1. Price of 6 mangoes is same as price of 12 guavas. How many guavas are equal to the price of 5 mangoes? So we'll do it. So it says 6 mangoes is equal to 12 guavas. And now they're asking if there are 5 mangoes, how many guavas are equal to that? So what can you say? So if this is 12, this is 1. So to get 1, you have to divide by 6. 12 divided by 6. And for 5, you multiply by 5. So 6 times 1, 6 times 2. So 2 times 5, that's equal to 10 guavas. So this is actually ratio. 6 becomes 12, 5 becomes what? So this way you can do. This is multiplied by 2. So you can do the same thing for ratio. Multiply by 2, you get 10. So 2 marks for this question. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for the method. Question number 2. Find the value of 0.5 minus 0.5 squared. So you can use factorization method or find the answer here, find the answer and subtract. So we'll do both ways. So here I can see 0.5 is common. So I can factorize, take the common term out. So when you take out, you get 1 minus 0.5 remaining. I know what is 1 minus 0.5. 1 minus half. You get half, 0.5. Now just multiply without the decimal. 5 times 5, 25. And then 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So its answer is 0.25. What's the other method? 0.5 is there. You find 0.5 into 0.5. So 5 times 5, 25. 2 decimal places, 0.25. Now subtract. You get 5 and 2. So 0.25 is the answer. So both ways you get the same answer. So 2 marks, 1 mark for the method and 1 mark for the accuracy. Question number 3. What is C plus A equals to? 1 over AB plus 1 over BC is equal to 1 over CA. Now, C plus A means no denominator. So, I want to get rid of this. So, I'm multiplying the whole equation by ABC. So, what happens? ABC over AB. This becomes ABC over BC. This becomes ABC over CA. So, AB get cancelled out. BC cancel out and CA cancel out. So, what's remaining? C plus A is equal to B. They are asking what is C plus A equals to? That's B. So, you get 2 marks for that. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for the method. Question number 4. According to the information given in the figure, find length AP. This length. So this is 90 degrees. So when you take ABC triangle, you can find out AC length. What's AC? AC squared using Pythagoras theorem. AC squared is equal to, this is the hypotenuse. So 26 squared minus 24 squared. So you can use difference between two square terms. That's the easiest way. You add it and you subtract. So addition becomes 50 times 2. That's 100. Square root of 100. You get AC equals 10 centimeters. Now we found AC. Now again, we can use Pythagoras theorem because now P angle is also 90. APC is a right angle triangle. So we need AP. So what is AP squared? AP squared is, hypotenuse is now 10. 10 squared minus 8 squared. 10 squared is 100, 8 squared is 64. So you get 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Don't take the negative value because this is a length. So we can write AP is 6 centimeters. So that's the answer for AP length. So 2 marks here, 1 mark for this and 1 mark for the method. Question number 5. 21, 42, 63. Which term is 420 in this arithmetic progression? So they have given this is an arithmetic progression. So you have to find out n. What's the difference? You can find out the common difference. Take any term minus the previous term. So you get 21 is the common difference. Now you can find out first term is 21 and common difference is 21 as well. So what's the nth term formula for arithmetic progression? First term plus n minus 1d. Now substitute. Nth term is given 420. First term is 21 and n we need to find. And here also 21 is a common difference. First subtract 21. What you get? You get 9, 3. 399 is n minus 1 into 21. So is this divisible by 21? It is divisible. So you can divide both sides by 21. So 21 get cancelled out. So we can say first divide by 3. This is 7. 1, 3, 3. Now divide by 7. 7 times 1, 7. Then you get 63. That's 9. So n minus 1 is 19. So what's n? N becomes 19 plus 1. Take this minus 1 to this side. Becomes plus 1. So 20. So that means 20th term is 420 in this arithmetic progression. So 2 marks again. 1 mark for the method and 1 mark for the answer. Question number 6. There are identical cards labeled 20 to 70 in a box. What is the probability of getting a card with a number which is a multiple of 5 from this box randomly? First tell me how many cards are there? 20 to 70, 20, 21, 22 like that. Do you need to count it? You don't need to count it. You can straight away get how many numbers are there. So total number is you take the difference and add 1. That's the method. You take the difference and add 1. 70 minus 20, that's 50. So 51 numbers are there. What are the multiples of 5? So we need to identify what are the multiples. So it says 20 to 70 means 20 and 70 also included. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and 70. All are included. 20 and 70 also included. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers are there. So what's the probability of getting multiple of 5? So here n, we'll say m or something, nm equals 11 and the total number is 51. So what's the probability? 11 over 51. So that's the probability of getting a card with a number which is a multiple of 5. So 2 marks. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for identifying the total number and the multiples of 5. Question number 7. If A is LG2, B is LG5, find the value of A plus B. What is LG means? Log. Log base 10. We can write LG, same meaning. Now, find the value of A plus B. So, we need A plus B. What is A? LG2 and B is LG5. Addition of logarithms, you multiply the numbers inside. So, you can write here, no need to write LOG, I'll write LG. LG5. Multiplication, so you can write 2 times 5. LG10. What's LG10? Log 10 base 10. That's 1. So because 10 to the power 1 is 10. So that becomes 1. So A plus B is 1. 2 marks. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for the method. Question number 8. Figure shows 2 sectors with radius 21. Find the perimeter of the figure. So here 21 4 times and we need to find out the arc length. So we can find out the arc length. Here this is 60 and you can multiply by 2. So what's the perimeter? 21 times 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are 21 centimeter length. Plus, what's the arc length of the sector? 60 over 360 into 2. Pi is 22 over 7 and r is 21. But you have to multiply this by 2 because you get 2 arcs. Now simplify. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. This one, 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 3. 2 and this 6, that's 3. This 3 again cancel out with this 3. What else? You have only 22 times 2. That's 44. So what's the perimeter? 4 and 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 128 centimeters. So 1 mark here and 1 mark for the method. Question number 9. Convert 1000 liters to cubic meters. What's the conversion? First we'll convert to centimeter. Cubic centimeters. We know 1000 liters is how many milliliters? 1000 into 1000 milliliters. And also we know milliliters, 1 milliliter and 1 cubic centimeter is the same. So same, cubic centimeters and milliliters both are the same. So we can write 1000 liters is equal to 1000 into 1000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubic centimeters. Now we need to find out cubic meters. So each centimeter you have to divide by 100 to get meter. So 3 times you have to do that. So what you do? You take this number, 6 zeros, divide by 100, divide by 100 again, and divide by 100 again. 3 times you have to do because 3 meters are there. Now cross out the zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, and 2 zeros. So you get 1 cubic meter. So 1000 liters is equal to 1 cubic meter. So 2 marks again, 1 and 1. Question number 10. Write a fraction that is equivalent to AP over PD. Now these two lines are parallel. This angle is equal to this angle. Opposite angles are equal. C angle, this one is equal to this angle. Alternate angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. Alternate angles are equal. So when you consider ABP triangle and PCD triangles are equiangular, then you can use the ratio. So opposite to B angle is AP. And we need PD. That's opposite to this angle. So same angle. That's correct. Now take other side. If this is opposite to A angle, this becomes BP. Opposite to that angle, that's PC. Or you can take this side, P angle. If you take P angle, opposite to that is AB. In this triangle, opposite to this is CD. So you can either write this one or this one to get the 2 marks. Only one you can write. So 2 marks for that. Question number 11. In an election, who were 2 contestants, the winner obtained votes 6 over 11 with extra 22,400 votes. What is the total number of votes the winner obtained? Now 6 over 11 is the winner's fraction. So what's the other one? If this is 6 over 11, 5 over 11 is that. The other contestants. Now, the difference, extra means the difference between these two. So, 6 over 11 minus 5 over 11 is the extra one. That's 22,400 votes. So, what's that? 1 over 11 parts is 22,400 votes. Now, they are asking what is the total number of votes the winner obtained. So, winner obtained only 6 out of that. So, multiply by 6. So, we need 6 over 11. 22,400 multiplied by 6. 6 times 4, 24. And 6 times 2, 12. Plus 2, 14. And 1 remaining. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 1, 30. So, 134,400 votes. So 2 marks for that. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for the method. Question number 12, solve the equation. So this is algebraic equation. So what we can do here, same denominator. So we'll take it to this side. 10 over 2x plus 3. I can take this whole thing to this side. Minus 5 over 2x plus 3 equals minus 1. I can take it to the other side. Now, just subtraction. Same denominator, you can subtract. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. Now, this is like 1 over 1. Cross multiply and equate. 5 equals 2x plus 3. Now, 2x plus 3 equals 5. Subtract 3, you get 2x equals 5 minus 3 is 2. Divide by 2, you get x equals 1. So that's the value of x. Solving means you are finding the value of x. Unknown letter. So 2 marks again, 1 mark for the method and 1 mark for the answer. If your answer is correct, you get 2 marks. What happens if your answer is wrong, but your method is correct? You get 1 mark. So that's why we are always telling you to write down the method. Question number 13, find the value of this. So you get 54 over 16 to the power minus 1/3. We can divide by 2. 2 times 8, 2 times 2, 4. And for 14, 2 times 7. So 27 over 8 to the power minus 1/3. I want to get rid of this minus power. So I can switch. I can write 8 in the numerator and 27 in the denominator, and the power becomes positive. Negative power, how you convert to the positive power? Take the reciprocal upside down. Now you can consider 1/3 for both numbers. 8 to the power 1/3 and 27 to the power 1/3. Cube root of 8. So we know 2 to the power 3 is 8. You can multiply by 1/3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. Again, you can multiply by 1/3. So 3 gets cancelled out. What's the answer? 2 over 3. So 1 mark for the correct answer and 1 mark for the method. Question number 14. Estimate the value. So estimate means rounding. So we can think about one significant figure for 1 digit. How can you write 26.9? You can write, if you are considering units place, that's 27. So we'll round it to units place. So you have to do all the numbers to the units place, nearest units place. So 26.9, you can write 27. 16.3, that's 16. And 1.9, you can write 2. So 2 squared. Now we know square root of 16 is 4. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled out. Estimated value is 27. So this is an approximate value, not the exact value. So 27. So 1 mark for the method and 1 mark for the accuracy. Question number 15, Venn diagram question. Epsilon is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P intersection Q dash is 4, 6. P intersection Q is 2. So we'll try to fill this, represent this information in a Venn diagram. P intersection Q is 2. So 2 is here. P intersection with Q dash. Outside Q but inside P. So that's this part, 4 and 6. P union Q dash. That means outside the two circles. That's 8. And now we know the epsilon. The whole set is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to fill the other numbers here. 2 is there, 3 is not there. So 3, 4, 5, you have to write. 6 is there, 7, you have to write, and 8 is there. So that's the completed Venn diagram. So you get 2 marks for that. Question number 16. Find the interest needs to pay if 20,000 rupees borrowed for 12% annual interest rate for 9 months. So 12% annual interest. So interest you need to find. So interest is 20,000 is the borrowed money. 12% annual. So 12% annual is 12 over 100. What's the monthly interest? You have to divide this by 12. That's for 1 month. And for 9 months, you need to multiply this by 9. So what's the value? This is in rupees. 2 zeros get cancelled out. 12 and 12. And 200 times 9. 9 times 2, 18 and 2 zeros. 1,800 rupees is the interest for 9 months. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for the method. Question number 17. According to the information given in the figure, find the value of A. Now 2 lines are parallel. That means these are equiangular triangle. We did a similar question. This angle is equal to this angle. Corresponding angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. And this one is common. So for an equiangular triangle, the ratios you can equate. So here we can do this to this is same as this to this. So we can write A plus 1 over 3 is same as A over 2. Now you can solve and find A. Cross multiply. 2 times A, 2A plus 2 times 1, that's 2. 3 times A, 3A. Now 2A you can take it to this side. 3A minus 2A is A. A becomes 2. So you need the value of A, that's 2 centimeters. 1 mark here and 1 mark for the method. Question number 18. Solving linear equation. A minus 3 over 3 is equal to 2. Find the value of A. What you do? You can write this one as 1 and cross multiply. Cross multiply, you get A minus 3 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. So what's A? 6 plus 3, 9. Gain 2 marks. 1 mark here and 1 mark for the method. Question number 19. Find the area of the rhombus when the two diagonals are 10 and 24. What do you know about that? If there's a rhombus, two diagonals are 24 centimeters and 10 centimeters. What's the formula? If you know the two diagonals, area becomes multiply the two diagonals and divide by 2. Why? When you consider separately triangles, half times base times height. Here also half times base times height. So that half comes there. So What's the area of the rhombus? Multiply the two diagonal terms and divide it by 2. If A and B are the diagonals, A, B over 2 is the area. So you get 2 times 12 is 24, so 120. This is in centimeters, so area becomes square centimeters. So 2 marks. 1 mark for the method and 1 mark for the accuracy. Question number 20. ABC triangle and PQR triangles are similar triangles. Find the lengths of PQ and PR. So you are asked to find out the lengths PQ and PR. So what you can do? So similar means you get the same angles, but the lengths are different. So the ratios are equal. So what can you say about these angles now? When you take this is 30, this is 30. So this becomes 90 minus 30, so 60. This is also 60. Now we'll take the ratio. Ratios are the same. So we can write PQ. So PQ is opposite to 30. So PQ over opposite to 30 is 3 centimeters. So that's 3 is equal to. We'll take the other length. What you want? PR. PR is opposite to 90 degrees. What's opposite to 90 degrees here? That's 5. Again, you can write what's the other two lengths? Opposite to 60 degrees. That's 4 centimeters here. That one is 8. So 8 over 4. Now you can find out PQ and PR. So what's the ratio here? 4 times 1, 4 times 2. So this means this PQR triangle is twice as ABC triangle. So what is PQ? You can find out using these two equations, PQ. PQ over 3 is 2. So what's PQ? This is like 1. So 3 times 2, 6. So this is in centimeters. So you can write PQ is 6 centimeters. What about PR? PR over 5 is equal to 2. Now when you multiply this, PR becomes 5 times 2. That's 10 centimeters. So these are the two lengths. So you get 2 marks. 1 mark for this PQ length and 1 mark for PR length. Question number 21. According to the figure, name a triangle which has same area as APQ. So let's look at it. APQ. So this triangle. So we'll give a color APQ. This triangle. What's the equal triangle to that? So look at carefully. These are two parallel lines. PQ is the base. So this area and this area is the same. Same perpendicular height because in between two parallel lines, same base. So according to the figure, which triangle has the same area as APQ? You can write APQ is same as PQB. Same base PQ and in between two parallel lines. So that's why the two areas are equal. So you get 2 marks identifying this and identifying the correct reason. Question number 22. Find the total area of the land in the figure. So total area. Area of the rectangle plus area of the semicircle. Now, the whole length is 11. This is 4. So what is the radius of the circle? 11 minus 4, that's 7 meters. So you can find out the area. So total area is equal to area of the rectangle, 20 times 4, plus area of the semicircle, half, pi is 22 over 7, r squared. R is 7 here, 7 into 7. So what's the value? 4 times 2. 8, 80 here, and 2 and 22, 11, and 1, 7 get cancelled out. 11 times 7, 77. So the answer is 7, and 8 plus 7, 15. So 157 square meters. So you get 2 marks, method mark here and accuracy mark. Question number 23. Write down the number where A is in the hundreds place, B is in the tens place, and C is in the units place. Units place, then tens place, hundreds place. A is in the hundreds place. So that means actual value is 100A. 100 times A. B is in the tens place. So what's the value? B times 10. So 10B. And C is in the units place. So adding C. So this is the number. 100A plus 10B plus C. So you get 2 marks for that. Question number 24. If area of the triangle APQ is 12 square centimeters, find the area of ABC triangle. Now look at carefully. This is the midpoint and these two lines are parallel. So according to midpoint theorem, so this length and this length, you can say this is double as this. So because of that, when it comes to this part, you get same as this. So areas are equal. So because the height is the same and bases are equal, so you get this is also 12. And now think about this part and this part. Now this part, this length and this length is equal. So the perpendicular height is the same. So area of this APC part is same as ABP. So 12 and 12, that's 24. So this area is 24. So what's the area of ABC triangle? ABC triangle is 24 plus 12 plus 12. So you get 8 and 4. 48 square centimeters is the area of ABC triangle. So you get 2 marks for that. Twenty-fifth one. CD is the tangent drawn to the circle. Name an angle equal to ADC. ADC. This angle. So what can you say about that angle? Now look at carefully. This is the tangent. This angle, we'll put A, that is equal to this angle. Alternate segment theorem. The angle between tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the opposite side. Now let's take this angle is B. So this is B. So this is A. This is the exterior angle to these two angles. So that's A plus B. Now this is A plus B. This is also A plus B. So both are equal. So what's the angle equal to ADC? That's DBC. So this is the last question and you get 2 marks for that. So we covered the whole paper consists of 25 questions and each question worth 2 marks. So altogether 50 marks for this paper. So complete all 25 questions and then make sure that you watch my video to check your answers.